Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm I'm filming in my room and it is a little bit late at night, so this is the only good lighting that I have right around here. So I have the camera in my phone, the camera in my phone. God damn it. I have the phone on my hands right now, so yeah, just in case you're interested in why it looks like this, why I move around like that. My hand is actually the stand right now. But anyways, we're here to do an unboxing, a StitchFix unboxing that is. And yeah, this is my box number, well, the paper says it's box number 6. So I guess it's box number 6. So in my last unboxing, I think I said that was going to be my last box. I was supposed to cancel, and I did. I did cancel for 1 month. And then I got another box after that. For those of you who are new to Stitch Fix, I'm sure there's a lot of other people that can explain it better. I would have the link down below if you're interested. So they send you about 5 items. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They send you 5 items to try on. Whatever you like, you keep. Whatever you don't, you send back. But you have to pay for every item that you keep. And the fee is $20. And also it depends on you whether you want to have it. Get it weekly, monthly, every 2 months, every 3 months. It's really up to you. So yeah, and the fee that you pay for actually goes on to one of the items that you would like to keep. So yeah, you get it. You get it, right? Okay, so they also send you these little cards right here that show you how to like kind of style the stuff that they send you. I think that's actually pretty good for people who don't really know how to style their items. But anyways, let's get right into the box. So I guess I'm just gonna try them on as I'm showing them to you. That way I can have the stuff on already. So let's get on to the try on. It's mostly sweaters and a pair of jeans. So let's get to it. So here is the first shirt that they showed me. It's so freaking warm, actually, now that I have it on. It is so warm. It is nice and tight from the sleeve, and it has that loose butterfly sleeve there. It's just that really stretchy material here, and it's so comfortable. I hope you can see the back. It's just, you can make it as long as you want. As you can see, it goes all the way down to my booty here. And it's really stretchy, so I love that. And yeah, you know, the reason why I like this top is because I'm planning to get pregnant soon. Even the thought of it, just like saying it, it's kind of a little weird to me. But in case I do get pregnant, I think there's enough room here to not cover up the belly, because I'm not really trying to cover it up, but I think it'll be a really nice, comfortable top for that maternity process. So this is a Jolie top, and it's called a Reid French Terry knit top, and this goes for $36, which is actually not bad because it's, the material feels really, really nice, and like it's a really good quality. And also I like my tops to go a little bit like that. Let me show you what I mean here. There's not a lot of good light in here, but I'm just gonna give you this angle anyways, just so you can like really see it. So comfortable, so comfortable. Oh my god, I like it. I actually really like it. Okay, so this is the second top. Looks like that. This actually, the material actually feels really, really nice as well. It's really soft from the outside, but the inside, it's just a little bit more rough. Just a little more rough, and I love that it has long sleeves. I am all for V-necks with long sleeves, but I am not into that elbow thing right there. I don't like them. I don't know. I'm just not digging the back buttons type of thing, but it is a little bit loose, just like I like them. Really, really nice and really, really soft, and I dig it. But elbow thingies, not so much, and I don't like the back buttons either. So this is the pink Clover Artemis Knit top, and it goes for $42. So yeah, I also wouldn't spend $42 on this top. So this is the third sweater, and this is the one I think they call a poncho. I mean, I know what a poncho is, but this is a poncho to them. It's like a modern version poncho, I guess, and it has this really pretty turtleneck here. I love this. I love this, and let me tell you, I've tried this on before in front of my fiance, and my fiance, holy crap, he's my husband now. Hello. So I tried this on in front of my husband, and he really liked this part, and I wasn't digging it, and I am now. Maybe because I actually have some makeup on my face now. It looks decent on me now. So yeah, and what I do like is that bottom thing right here, that it has a nice little slit here and this little curve. It's nice. It's nice. See, you can see it right there. You can see it right there. It gives it a bit more of a modern look to it, I think, instead of the typical straight line. Let me give you this front mirror look here. You see what I mean from the sides? It goes a little bit up. So that's cute. I like that. It's in the details. Everything is in the details, ladies. Whoa, am I 32 or what? Which I am. So yeah, super cute. I am liking it. Stitch Fix really wanted me to spend some money this time around. Yes. Or maybe it's because I'm cold. All right, we'll move on to the last outfit. There's one more top and a pair of jeans that they sent me, but I lack them. But I like them both together, and I think it'll be a really cute Valentine's Day outfit. So I'm gonna throw that on and show you. All right, this is the last look, and this is the last top that they sent me that I think it's super, super cute. Again, I think it would be really cute with a really cute cami on the bottom. Or you can just leave it like this, you know, keep it a little sexy for your man. So it looks nice, and it has that long sleeve, and it's all knitted, as you can see, and it's pretty long actually from the back, which I actually like. And these are the jeans they sent me right here. They're super stretchy, which I love, because again, I have that a nice little round curve over here and on this side. So I guess these jeans are known for the stretch as well. I said so on the tag back here. What do we think of the outfit? Do we love? Do we hate? Honestly, if I keep it, I'll probably would like to put like a nice little camisole that goes all the way down to here, or a cute cami that'll hide this, because you know, everybody has those problems they want to like hide. And yeah, so the jean is actually good. I don't know if I've talked about it. It actually has some distress in them. There it is. It's like very subtle distress, and it's just they're so comfortable. Again, I put it up a little bit on the ankle so you can see. And then this is the actual length right there. It goes a little bit under the top of the shoe there. But it's so cute. So this is most likely a keeper. A keeper. I have my Valentine's Day outfit ready. Check. I just need to figure out if I'm actually going out on Valentine's Day. It's a Wednesday this time, so maybe on the weekend. So, ooh, I like this side. That boobie looks like, but it's really like not so much. Anyways, okay, so that was the end of this Stitch Fix. What do we think? I really like the box, honestly. I've given Stitch Fix, well, actually Stitch Fix has been giving me a problem because everything has been like not really good lately. But this box, perfection in my book. Besides one, I mean, what's one? So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like the video. Please subscribe and leave some comments down below. What was your favorite item? What did you hate? Do you like the outfit? Do you not? Just let me know. Just put it down in the comments below. I just also just what is it? It's not registered, right? I also just signed up I just signed up for the Trunk Club subscription box, so I'm really excited. I think that's a box curated by Nordstrom's company. Yeah, so I guess everything that they send you is from Nordstrom. I want to say this is my first box, so I'm trying to get it together. So I'm really excited, and I'll tell you all about it when I get the box. So for now, that is all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video. I think I've said it before. And yeah, on to the next one. Bye, guys. Mwah. Oops, guys, I think I forgot to tell you the prices on the jeans and the last sweaters, I think. And quickly, let me tell you, let's see, the black jeans were from VIGOSS, VIGOSS, and they are called the Erika skinny jean, and they are the best things ever. Best things ever, and they are $68. And I got them in a size 8. I think they're also a size 29. So yeah, I usually wear a size 9, but an 8 is like very close. They still fit, so they're perfect. And the Poncho pullover. The Poncho pullover is that cow neck one. It wasn't a cow neck. It's just a turtleneck that looks kind of like a, goes down to like a cow neck almost. That one was $68 as well. It's called the Leo and Nicole Zaryn Cotton Blend Poncho Pullover. Yeah. And the pink one, it's the Pixley Fallan Twist Back Plunging V-Neck Pullover. Fallan Twist Back. Did I wear that one wrong? Huh. Back plunging. So, I hope I didn't wear that one wrong, the pink one. So that one goes for $58. And again, it's called the Pixley Fallan Twist Back Plunging V-Neck Pullover. And yeah, so the subtotal for the entire box would be $272. And if I keep it, I get a 25% discount. If I keep the entire box, I get a 25% discount, which subtracts $68 from that total. And then minus the $20 styling fee, my total would be $184 for the entire box. So yeah. So I have a couple things to think about, and yeah, I just decided to come back and let you know the prices because I completely forgot, and I wanted to tell you before I take off all this makeup. So yeah. By the way, the hair is already like all messed up. I was trying to take pictures after I filmed. I was like all over the bed, like trying to look sexy. Like that, things like that. But yeah, okay. Now I'm really done. So, good night, guys. And I'll see you on the next